Good evening, everybody. Today, we're going on an enchanting extra that Walt Disney World offers, a Harmonious Fireworks Cruise. We're going to go over all the special details, such as what time does it start, how long does it last, where does all the cruise go, what happens if you have an ECV or a stroller with you, what are you allowed to bring on board, how much does it cost? What's the cancellation policy? How many people can you bring with you? When can you book and how to book? So join me as we go on this Harmonious Fireworks Cruise. Let's do this! If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe as well as like the video and let us know what you think of the fireworks cruise in the comments below. Alright, we're here at the Bayside Marina. It's about 7:45 p.m. in the evening. Harmonious is scheduled to start at about 9 p.m. So Disney tells you when you book this to arrive about an hour and 15 minutes prior to the scheduled fireworks time. And you can expect your cruise to last roughly 2 hours. So you may be wondering, where all does the boat go? So that's Crescent Lake. You can see Hollywood Studios down there at the bottom, Epcot over there on the right. We're going to start here at the Bayside Marina, which is at Disney's Yacht and Beach Club Resort. We're going to go to the left there, past Swan and Dolphin, and then down towards the Hollywood Studios area. Then it kind of U-turns around, comes back up, past Swan and Dolphin again, hangs a right, goes around Disney's boardwalk area, and then heads right into the International Gateway of Epcot. And you can see there where the view is, just past the International Gateway entrance. If you happen to have an ECV or stroller with you, we asked the Disney cast members what we could do with those. And you can actually leave them at the dock area. So you can't take them onto the boat, but you can leave them at the dock. They will be secure. So what all are you allowed to bring on board? So Hurricane Hannah's is actually just a few seconds away from the boat dock there. And Hurricane Hannah's happens to be the pool bar for Stormalong Bay, which is the pool area of Yacht and Beach Club. And you can actually go and get alcoholic beverages and bring them on board the boat so that you can have those while you're on the cruise. The cruise does offer some snacks as well as soft drinks. So they do have waters, sodas, chips, cookies, brownies. If you're wondering how much does the fireworks cruise cost, so it's $399 plus tax. And there is a 2-day cancellation policy. And that includes bringing up to 10 people with you. So you could split that, with members of your party. But yeah, 10 people is the maximum. If you're celebrating something like a birthday, an anniversary, just getting married, they do have festive banners and balloons that they will put onto the side of the boat, and those are also included in the cost of the cruise. You can book 60 days in advance for your entire length of stay, up to a 10-night stay, if you're staying on Disney property. If you're not staying on Disney property, you can book 60 days in advance. And how to book? Well, you just need to call 407-939-7529, and we'll put that phone number into the description. But you can call 60 days in advance to book your fireworks cruise. Well, with that, we are heading back to Bayside Marina. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. And with that, I'll say see you real soon.